Welcome to this tutorial on how to get started with Arduino and Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step process to set up your environment, run example code, and upload it to your ESP32 board using VSCode. Alright, first and foremost, let's go over to the extensions and type in Arduino. And I already have it installed, but if you don't have it, head over and install it. Let's open a new project. So put a folder. Let's create one. Let's make it test ESP32. That's PLE. Now I suggest you copy the title of this directory. Select folder. Alright, let's use the command center. Press Ctrl Shift and P. Let's type in Arduino, and this is how we're going to communicate with the Arduino extension program. And we will initialize the project. Now for the name of the project, you want to set up the same directory name and on the file that you will be working with, because else it'll give you a problem when it comes to running the code. Alright, now let's set up the board. Let's open the VSCode directory, click on the Arduino JSON, and let's start populating by typing in the Arduino, setting up the config for the board. I'm currently using the ESP32, so search for the board that you're currently using. And let's also set the COM port at which your device is located. Yeah, select serial port, and mine is located on COM5. For the code itself, I'm currently going to be using an example code for PLE project from the Arduino, and I will be copying and pasting this code. It's the BLE server example. BLE Arduino, BLE server. Again, this is just an example. Now, a quick run through of the VSCode. This is the settings for the board, right? The configuration for the board and its location. And this is the property configurations of all of the libraries that you're going to be using. Now, in order to avoid the squiggly lines here, let's just erase the properties. Upload the code. Alright. Now after you've run the code, after you uploaded the code, you will see that it has been successfully uploaded, and at the same time, it has removed the library, since it already found the library to which we're using under the ESP32 projects. If we actually look inside of the config of the libraries that we're using, if I look for the BLE, you will see that it is right here. It is under the config. Other common issues when it comes to running libraries, it is if you download a similar or very same library, say for instance the BLE as the one that I'm currently using, looking for ESP32 BLE, and I download this, right? And I try to run the code, it'll give me a multiple library error, and there you go. It'll give you an error for having multiple libraries found for the BLE device. Therefore, you want to keep in check and making sure that you don't duplicate the libraries. Given that mine is already, the one that we're using, the BLE device is already existing under the ESP32 boards. Therefore, you want to take it off. So let's just take it off and carry on. And there you go. That is all you need to know in order to get started with the Arduino extension inside of the VS Code. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to see more content, click on this video here, and I'll see you next time.